Are you looking for the best cast iron skillet in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 2 best cast iron skillet that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Victoria Cast Iron Skillet. The Victoria Cast Iron Skillet is a high-quality, durable frying pan that is perfect for cooking a variety of meals. The skillet comes with a pre-seasoned skin that helps build seasoning with each use, and is made from non-GMO, kosher-certified flaxseed oil. The Victoria Cast Iron Skillet is also PTFE and PFOA-free, making it a healthier option for cooking. The skillet is designed with a thicker edge, a deep vessel, and drip-free spouts on each side, and features a long curved handle for a better grip. The Victoria Cast Iron Skillet is a versatile pan that can be used on the stove, on induction cooktops, in the oven, over a campfire, or on a grill. Your food will stay warm for longer and be infused with beneficial natural iron. The Victoria Cast Iron Skillet is a great choice for those looking for a quality, durable, and healthy option for cooking. At number 2, 10-inch Cast Iron Chef-Style Skillet. This 10-inch Lodge Chef Collection cast iron skillet is a versatile and classic piece of cookware for any kitchen. The skillet comes seasoned with oil for a natural finish that improves with use and has a generous pour spot for pan sauces and gravies. The skillet is also easy to clean by hand washing and drying it, then rubbing with cooking oil. For tough spots, use a small amount of soap and a pan scraper. The Chef Collection also features 15% lighter cast iron, ergonomically designed and more comfortable handles, and improved side walls for easier cooking. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.